Hi, welcome back to our channel. We're Exodus 31 Designs. Today, I'm inviting you to make this graduation pocket card with me. You can personalize it with any text you like. The download includes two types of SVG files. One works with the scoring stylus or wheel. The other has dashed lines for folding. We've also included studio files for silhouette users. Today, I'm using the version with score lines in Cricut Design Space. Once I upload the SVG score lines file, I select the fold lines in the right-hand panel and change the operation from cut to score. Ungroup the set. Now let's customize it. I'll write "Congrats Sharon," but you can use any message. Class of 2026, the graduate's name, or any celebration phrase. I'll use the Rye font, which is free on Google Fonts. Next, apply the curve tool. Now let's adjust the text. I'll reduce the letter spacing and unlock the size so the letters touch the top and bottom edges of the curve. Use the Align tool to center everything. You can also rotate the text slightly if needed. If some letters don't align, ungroup them and adjust each one individually. Make sure they all touch the curved edges for a clean weld. For the bottom text, follow the same steps. This time the curve is concave, but the process is the same. Once both texts are in place, select the top text, bottom text, and card base. Do not select the score lines. Then click Weld. Zoom in to check the details. If you still want to improve the details, ungrouped the letters again, adjusted them slightly, and welded again. Once the weld step is ready, finally select the card and the fold lines and attach. Before cutting, I want to show you some other editing options. You can write in any language. Use different fonts like Brie Serif. Change the year, the graduate's name, or the school. When you're ready, click Make It. You'll see 3 cut pieces: the cap detail, the insert, and the pocket card. For cut settings, I chose cardstock for intricate cuts and selected the scoring stylus. I'm using 80 pounds cardstock for the pocket card. This helps with clean, detailed cuts. Use a mat with good grip and a sharp blade. This really makes a difference. Cut the insert with the same cardstock of a different color. And the cap detail with metallic 80 pounds cardstock. Now let's assemble. Fold along the score lines and press firmly with your bone folder. Apply glue to the side tabs and press to seal the shape. Now I'm adding the cap detail. Just glue it right on top. Finally, insert the inner card, and that's it. You can personalize the inside with any message you like. Follow us at Exodus 31 Designs on YouTube and social media. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and stay with us to keep learning how to personalize beautiful stationery with your cutting machine. Thanks again for crafting with us.